Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to change site URL in Bluehost. Firstly, log into your Bluehost account manager, then go to the Websites tab. Click Settings under the site you want to update, then scroll to the Domain Name and Site URL section. Click the Change link and you can connect a domain if you already own one, or use a temporary domain if you're not ready. Now enter your new domain and click Continue. Your site URL is now changed in the system and WordPress database. Check your site to make sure it works as expected. Just a tip, if your site isn't displaying correctly after the URL change, clear your browser cache or use a plugin like Better Search Replace to update old URLs across your database. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.